Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down and choose Security section. Following that, scroll down again, tap on Screen Lock and choose one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. I will go with pattern. Now read the disclaimers, choose Next and create your method. If you made a mistake, tap on Clear at the bottom left corner. Then enter it correctly. Now you need to click on Next, repeat it in order to confirm it and choose Confirm. Lastly, click on the best option for your lock screen notifications. Show notification content, show notifications but hide content, or don't show lock screen notifications. In my case, show notification content. Finally, click on Done. Now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. If you want to delete your login method, go into the same settings, enter it, and choose None. Finally, choose Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!